What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to build a self-folding Cybertruck, and if you bear with me until the end, I'll show you how to get your hands on this template. So all you need is a pair of scissors, a pair of tiny scissors, a ruler, Cybertruck, a pen, and some floss about 1 meter. That should do. And here we go. So find the lines which are marked with crease this line, and well, guess what? Crease it with a pen. Just put the ruler on the line and press down. Once all the creasing is done, just grab your pair of scissors and get cutting. Just cut along the outline, and I'll just start here and work my way through the outline. And that's it for the cutting. So what I would do right now is take the ruler and try to bend the line. See if you can bend it without the ruler. And for me it works out because we creased the line before. Here we have to be careful, don't bend the actual paper where it shouldn't be bent. So bend this one as well. Bend this one nice and tight. Don't forget the back. So now you see where this is going. Well, we have these beautiful bullet holes in the side of the truck. So that's where the tiny scissors come into play. I would just go through the whole model now and just drill the holes with the pair of scissors. Just weaken the material a bit. Make sure not to cut yourself. Be safe, kids. So now we would need the string, which will go through the holes. And we start by putting it from the top and then again from the bottom. And it's basically always up and down. I forgot to crease this line. You will see it actually on the model. It was not in the plan, but I just crease it now. Give it a little tuck and then that's it. So we went down, so we need to go out again. So here's this one exception. We went from the top to the bottom, and we're gonna do the same. Gonna go from the top again here and then come out the back from here again. You will end up with something looking like this. So both come out the top. So what I had to do is to lengthen these strings because I was a bit greedy. They were too short. And what you want to do is just put one hand on this one, give it a good tug. And one last one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I would really appreciate if you give this video a like, leave a comment, tell me what you think, and share it with your friends, with your Tesla loving friends especially. If you want a template for the self-folding Tesla truck, make sure to hit the newsletter link in the video description below. Follow the link and sign up for my newsletter, and I'll send you the templates for the Cybertruck, self-folding Cybertruck, right away. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Peace.